Okay, we've touched up the spots we needed to touch up, sanded it down, then I wiped it all down. So now we're going to paint with a base coat of this white. We'll paint it, let it dry, then I'll take some 220 grit sandpaper and kind of sand it all down to smooth it out a little more. And then we'll apply a second coat of white. And then we should be ready to start adding color. If you enjoy my videos, please like them on my YouTube page and subscribe. I would appreciate that. Thank you. So we're going to continue to paint this down, paint that, the mouth, the back of the head, and then we'll be on to the next step. Thanks for watching.